Hey sneakerheads, Sandy from PUSHAS here. Today I have one of the most sought after sneakers in 2019. I know it's a little bit early to say since we're just over a few months from halfway. We've had a lot of crazy drops in the beginning of the year and so many more coming before we hit 2020. But without further ado, we've got the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott Mochas. Let's take a closer look. One of the most iconic Air Jordans collaborating with one of the hottest artists today. Of course these weren't going to be an easy cop. Over the past few years we've seen the Air Jordan 1 silhouette being reworked from Virgil Abloh deconstructing the sneakers, bringing you the Off-White collection, and Air Jordan collaborating with LA Boutique to bring us the Unions. This is a really nice way to spice up a silhouette that's been around for over 30 years. Just after Travis Scott's 2019 Grammy performance, there was a shock drop of the Air Jordan 1 Mochas, and that really stirred up the sneaker community because everyone was anticipating whether there would be a drop or not, and there was no proper announcement for the sneakers. And this started the price at 2,500 AUD. Wow. These pair of sneakers are definitely a head turner. These are the type of shoes you think when you're walking down the streets. If you know, you know. The brown nubuck is definitely something different from the Air Jordan 1s that make them really stand out. It's almost like a chocolate brown. The leather feels quite soft and buttery around the toe box. It's also like a nude kind of color. It's not a complete white, it's like an off-white kind of color. Next big statement for the sneakers is the reverse swoosh on the outer side, which makes it really cool because it's like a bit of the classic Air Jordan 1 mixed in with something a bit more contemporary, like we mentioned before, like Virgil Abloh mixing it up and deconstructing the Air Jordan 1. This is more like Travis Scott's spin on it, just switching the swoosh sign around. We can also see that we've got the Cactus Jack logos planted in every angle of the sneakers to remind you that it is a Travis Scott collaboration. From the tongue to the debossed face and the heel. We also have 5 different colored laces to be exact, so you can kind of style it in your own way as well, change up one shoe to the other, which is really cool. Not only are they stylish, they're practical. There's a secret hiding pocket for all your needs when you're going out. It's sealed tight with the Velcro feature, and the pocket isn't too deep so you can't lose anything, and yeah, it's very pragmatic, so you won't lose anything again. The prices right now of these are looking anywhere upwards of 1,800 AUD thanks to more supply in the market. However, I don't believe the prices of these are going to decrease anytime soon. As we've seen in the past, you've got the Cactus Jacks in the Air Jordan 4 and the Air Force 1s as well. All of them have either kept their value or have slowly increased over time with fewer dead stock pairs in the market. So I definitely think if you're looking at getting a pair, you should start thinking really soon. Thanks so much for watching today. I'll be back with some more sneaker unboxing soon. Let me know in the comments below what sneakers you're looking forward to, what you think if the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s are one of the most sought after 2019 sneaker, or if you're looking forward to something else in the future. Make sure you subscribe below, hit the like button, and follow us on PUSHAS Gram. I'll see you soon. Bye.